Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you on how to show your original Windows 10 desktop back from this. So if your desktop looks like this is called tablet mode. Okay, so we're going to turn the tablet mode off to get back your normal desktop again. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the search icon right here and you're going to type in tablet. Okay, and you can see here it says tablet settings. Open on that. Okay, and then here you can see change additional table settings. Click on that, and here tablet mode, just switch it off. Okay, so once it's off, you'll get back to your original desktop. So it's a bit of a hassle. Some computers, the current version of Windows 10 I'm using is 22H2, so it's not shown in the notification panel right here. So if you have tablet mode in the notification panel, you can just turn it off right here. Okay, so that's all for this video, and yeah, thanks for watching guys.